For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar says India will never be part of any global alliance. S. Jaishankar asserted that India will follow its own path without allying with any global power. The minister's statement comes amid concerns over India blindly tilting towards the United States. Some observers express concern over India losing key partners like Iran due to its policies. S. Jaishankar said non-alignment is an old concept, but India will never be part of any global alliance. The minister added that there is scope for other powers to pursue their interest in the changing geopolitical scenario. The minister was reacting on the possible consequences of global alliances with the United States and the emergence of China. He said there are spaces for middle powers like India, Japan, EU, and others to pursue their interests. China is becoming more aggressive against its neighbors over boundary issues and trying to assert itself as a major power.
The term non-alignment was coined in a particular period and geopolitical background. Independent policy remains a factor of continuity for India. The consequences of the United States that the big umbrella is now smaller than it used to be has allowed several countries to play more autonomous roles. It will not affect us because we were never part of an alliance and we will never be. But the countries that depended on the US are forced to take a decision themselves on several issues.
S. Jaishankar said India should take more risks in the emerging global order. He said world expects India to take more proactive positions on the issues like maritime security, terrorism, climate change, and connectivity. The External Affairs Minister further added that India had moved slowly on economic front compared to Chinese growth. China is the world's second largest economy after the United States. China's economy grew 5 times that of India's size, despite the economy of both the Asian giants was same size in 1988.
India could have done better on the economic front in comparison with China and with Southeast Asia. We were slow in industrialization and manufacturing. We opened up much later, almost a decade and a half after China. We didn't commit to full economic reforms the way China did.
The minister, however, defended India's decision to stay out of free trade agreements. He said India had not benefited from them and trade deficits only increased. S. Jaishankar downplayed the perception of neighboring countries about India being a dominant force.
If you are a big country with smaller neighbors around you, there is a natural dynamic. We need to create structural linkages to help our neighboring countries to pursue their political cycles. India often becomes a punching bag for domestic issues in neighboring countries.
With countries shifting their alliances amid unfolding new global order, India determined not to be seen as part of any alliance. India has always been following independent foreign policy and never seen siding with any alliance. India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru had followed non-alignment policy during the height of the US-Russia Cold War era.